Welcome back to Enlighten You, and today we are tackling a topic that every traveler needs to master, a pre-travel checklist with complete, detailed information. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a month-long expedition, these key points will ensure you're fully prepared for your adventure. So, grab your notepad and let's dive right in. The point discussed in video help you know some travel hack. Number 1 is travel documents. Let's kick things off with the most essential item, your travel documents. Check that your passport is valid for the entire duration of your trip. If you need a visa, make sure to apply well in advance. Also, have printed and digital copies of your passport, visa, travel insurance, and any other important documents. Number 2, itinerary and reservations. Keep all your travel plans organized. Have a printed or digital copy of your itinerary, including flight details, accommodation reservations, and any activities you have booked. This helps you stay on track and informed throughout your journey. Point number 3, packing essentials. Now, the packing process. Make a checklist of your essentials, including clothing, toiletries, medications, and any specific items you need for your destination's weather or activities. Don't forget chargers, adapters, and any gadgets you'll be using. Point number 4, medications and health preparations. If you take medications, ensure you have an ample supply for the duration of your trip. Pack a small first aid kit with basics like band-aids, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you might need. Research if you need any vaccinations or health precautions for your destination. Point number 5, finances and money matters. Money matters. Inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid any issues with using your cards abroad. Carry a mix of cash and cards, and consider having a backup source of funds. Research local currency and exchange rates to have a general idea of costs. Point number 6, travel insurance. Travel insurance is a must. It provides coverage for unexpected events like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Review your policy to ensure it suits your needs and destination. Point number 7, communication. Stay connected. Check if your phone plan covers international roaming or consider getting a local SIM card. Have important contact numbers saved and know how to contact your country's embassy in case of emergencies. Point number 8, secure your home. Before you leave, secure your home. Lock all doors and windows, unplug unnecessary electronics, and set your security system if you have one. You can also ask a neighbor or friend to keep an eye on your property. Point number 9, inform loved ones. Let your loved ones know about your travel plans. Share your itinerary, contact details, and copies of important documents with a family member or friend. Regular updates can provide peace of mind for both you and them. Last but not least, research your destination. Knowledge is power. Research your destination thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with local customs, cultural norms, and any specific safety tips. Knowing the lay of the land will make your experience richer and smoother. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, a comprehensive checklist to ensure you're fully prepared for your upcoming travels. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in making your journey enjoyable and stress-free. If you found these reminders helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel insights. Until next time, safe and happy travels.